Here's your step-by-step guide to safely trailer and launch your boat. We highly recommend having two experienced people to launch your boat, one to drive the towing vehicle and one to operate or maneuver the boat. We also recommend making sure to select a boat ramp that suits your boat size and launch requirements. Begin by performing a thorough inspection of your powerboat. Check the hull, engine, fuel levels, and all safety equipment. Ensure the drain plug is properly installed and all compartments are secure to prevent water leakage during launch. For the next step, you want to ensure you have your buoys or fenders tied on and the dock lines ready for bringing the boat to the dock. Now remove the tie downs that secure the boat to the trailer. It's time to back up your trailer into the water. Take it slow and steady. Back your trailer into the water until 2/3 of its bunks or rollers are submerged. Ensure that the trailer is properly aligned with the ramp and avoid submerging the towing vehicle's tires unless absolutely necessary. Once your trailer is submerged, it's time to release the boat. Double check that all straps and ties are undone, then gently float the boat off the trailer. Use a line to secure the boat to the dock while you park your trailer and double check that your boat is tied securely to the dock and won't drift away. With your boat safely in the water, it's time to enjoy the boating season. Cruise around, explore new waters, and soak up the sun. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at boatingcourses.ca. A special thanks to Carefree Boat Club Lake Simcoe.